Firstly, I want to show you our last week signal. That means which signal we put into our YouTube and Telegram channel in last week. As you can see there, this entry, we took this entry around 3349 and it's running almost 592 pips right now. Okay. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for next week, that means for next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down the trend line, support and resistance zone and many others. And as per you can see there, we also sharing these two zones like 3360 and 3450. These two zones from last few weeks, and market is following our direction. So let me remove all of previous drawing. For now, we will find the market direction. Like my style is we will see the market direction from weekly, then daily, then we will find our proper entry in H1 or H4 time frame. As you can see there was a bullish and inverted hammer confirmation to go by, and last week most likely market go by over 500 pips. And if we want to see the trend, market is still strong buy trend. Okay, so let's move into daily time frame. As you can see there in daily time frame, if I especially want to analyze the last 5 days candle, like last week's candle, there is 3 days candle is bullish, that means strong bullish, and 2 days candle was bearish, which was weak bearish. Okay, and if we want to find out our support, resistance and trend line zones, you may see there is a zone near around 3450 as per our support zone 3450. Okay, we will find out proper zone, that means exact point into H1 and H4 time frame. And our all-time high zone is near around 3500 or 3501. Okay, and if I want to go back into 4 hour time frame, if I want to go back 4 hour time frame, let me zoom out little bit more. As you can see there is a lot of pattern, lot of thing from the market. And as you can see there is a particular support area from the market. Is touch here 1 time, 2 time and 3 time, and still trying to go up. And if I want to draw a smaller or proper trend line zone over here, let me draw it. Okay, as you can see there is a breakout from the trend line. Again it makes a breakout, and again it just following this trend line many times. And as per the trend line, market maybe will go down for this particular area and it will go up again. Because of current market position, our situation is bullish. So let's get back into our proper analysis, or to get or to find out our proper direction in H1 time frame. And I wanna show you something in H1 time frame. Let's get back into H1 time frame and let's zoom out little bit more from the market or from the chart. And as you can see there, if I want to see the H1 time frame movement, if I want to draw particular support and resistance area, as you can see there is few many times here is a breakout, here is a support, there is a support become resistance area, and there is acting like a resistance zone. And as you can see there is a fake breakout zone, and it's happened in that particular area many times. So there is a chance to go back in this particular area and again go up. And you have to, especially you have to follow few fundamental thing, like there is a Donald Trump aspects, like Donald Trump talks about Indian tariffs. They are talking much about that, and that will impact on gold market also. Okay, and if I want to see White House statement, there is no tariff right now in gold. That news comes yesterday night, and they declared that there is no tariff gold till now, but they will think about that. Okay, and one major update about news, that is next week, maybe next week, there is three-way meeting between Putin, Trump, and Zelensky, but Moscow left it without comment. Okay, that means maybe Putin and Trump going to commit a meeting. Maybe they will agree for ceasefire. Then there will be a big movement coming into the market. So you have to keep your concern on that also. Okay. And if I want to show you our special like Fibonacci retracement, and if I want to draw it in latest high and low zone, you may see there is a zone between this particular area. Okay, this particular 38 point, I will especially follow 38.2 and our nearest support area. Let me zoom in little bit more. You may see there. Okay, let's zoom out and let me delete it. We already got our zone, and that can be or could be our particular entry point. Okay, so as you can see there is our particular entry point. I just moved in MH4 time frame, and this particular area could be our entry point. Okay, entry point. So what will be happen next? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we can do next, or what will be happen next? For me or from my side, market will move. Market will move like here. Then we have to take buy entry for which zone, till which zone. Let me show you till 3450 zone, and if there is any major news happens or major news comes, that can be go till 3500 zone. Okay, as you can see there, our entry area will be for 638 pips, and another area is around 1129 pips. Okay, and what will be our SL, or what can be our SL? So I always suggest, or I always recommend that you need to use your risk to reward ratio 1:3. That means if your risk ratio, 50 pips, okay, your reward ratio, should be 150 pips. Okay, that could be your risk reward ratio. So let me draw the entry for you, and you may take a screenshot for that. So you may take a screenshot from this analysis, and you may take this entry. This is for big investor also, and if you have especially $1000 equity, you may take 0.01 lot size for that entry. Before you take this entry, you have to proper margin or proper balance into your trading account to handle this trade. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. Boom, this is for big investor. What if I am especially a small investor? So let's get back for the small investor, and I will draw it for the small investors. So if I want to go M30 or M15 time frame, as per we scalp the market, as you can see there, we have to follow a channel as always. Okay, in this chart for M15 time frame, there is a trend line. As you can see there is a strong trend line, and if I want to draw upper trend over here, as you can see there is a complete channel to take buy and sell entry, as we did previous days in the market. Okay, and you have to understand the channel. You have to proper draw the channel. As you can see we take buy here, we take sell here, we take sell here, we take buy here, again we take sell here, buy here, sell here, and buy here. And you may take sell here, but you need to wait for candle confirmation to go sell, or if it give us a breakout like that, we will wait for a pullback till that particular area, then we can take buy entry with the candle confirmation. Okay, and if it get back around this particular area, and we will wait for candle confirmation like pin bar confirmation, inverted hammer confirmation to go buy, then we can take a buy entry in this particular area. I hope you understand small time frame trading things, or how we can trade in a small time frame. And one more thing, that is you may join our public Telegram channel to get this kind of analysis, and we are sharing their fundamental and technical both side analysis. You may see there is a fundamental analysis by Mr. Boom, and there is a lot of news update from the market, lot of news we got from the financial market. We always update that into our free Telegram channel, and we are sharing lot of support and resistance zone and trend line zone and other trading patterns. So if you are interested to join, you may join there. Channel link in the video description. As you can see there, t.me/fx hub. You may join there and you will get free daily 3 to 5 analysis and 1 to 2 entry. Okay, so that's for now. I hope you understand the whole thing. If you have any more query or question, you may ask our admin on Telegram. They will answer you immediately. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.